Thanks for joining us here for the news on WTOC Plus. I'm digital anchor Jude Binkley. We begin with this just into our newsroom. An 86-year-old woman was killed after being attacked by two dogs in Appling County. Again, this is just into our newsroom, so here's what we know. The Appling County Sheriff's Office described it as a, quote, vicious attack that happened at noon yesterday in Baxley. When deputies arrived, they found Maria D. Nunez deceased. Law enforcement believes they have found both of the dogs responsible, and they have been taken in by the Sheriff's Office. The Appling County Sheriff's Office is still investigating.